Hi everyone, and welcome back to Moonbell Soaps. My name is Belle, and today we will be making a black and white soap using eucalyptus essential oil. And now I'm just going to add in my lye water solution with sodium lactate into my oils and butters and begin blending. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour in a small portion of the batter into the black oxide, which I've already mixed in oil. I'm not pouring a lot in because I want the main soap batter to be mostly white. And what I'm going to do is the small amount of black, I'm just going to pour on top as a small drop swirl. Now just to add in our eucalyptus essential oil, I'll add a little bit in the white and a little bit in the black. So we're going to pour our white portion of the soap batter mainly to the top of the soap mold, and then we're going to use the small portion of the black to make some mini drop swirls on top. Now just using my chopstick, I'm going to create a swirl pattern in the top and swirl the black and the white portions of the soap together. Makes a really cool effect and makes the top of the soap look pretty too. So this is what it looks like close up, so you can see all the swirls. We are going to let it sit for 18 to 24 hours and then cut it into soap bars. Bye. Hello and welcome back. It has been 24 hours and our eucalyptus drop swirl soap is all set up and ready to be cut into bars using my multi-bar cutter here. I just have to get it out of the mold first, which sometimes proves to be difficult. And then we'll get to see what the little drop swirls look like in the middle. enjoyed the making of this video, please subscribe, hit the little bell icon for notifications of future videos, give me a thumbs up, and leave any comments down below. Until next time, keep clean. Bye.